Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you remove a payment method from your Roku account. So what we want to do is head on over to Roku.com. I'll link their webpage down in the video description, but once we're on the Roku homepage, what we want to do is click where it says sign in. And then we want to sign into the Roku account that you want to remove the payment method from. So entering in the email and password, and then also checking the CAPTCHA and then clicking submit to log in. And once you've signed in, we can go back here towards the top to our little icon and then go down and click where it says My Account. And then on the My Account page, we can find our payment method. So what we want to do is click where it says Update. That brings us over to Roku Pay. And what we want to do from this page is scroll down to the bottom, and you can find here right at the end it says Remove Payment Method. So that's what we want to click on. And it says by proceeding, there will no longer be a payment method associated with your Roku account. So we want to remove this payment method. So at this point, what we want to do is click this button where it says remove. And that is how you remove or delete a payment method from your Roku account. I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.